One significant recommendation to Cabinet was the beginning of negotiations between Samoa and New Zealand, Samoa and American Samoa, with regards to the possibility of opening up of borders and travel between the two countries. Can I underscore that this is the beginning of the negotiation, not an immediate opening of our borders? This, you will appreciate, is quite a complex issue because it's not just about what we want, it's also about the conditions prevailing in these two countries, New Zealand and American Samoa. You might have also heard earlier in the week that the New Zealand government made an announcement that their RSE program will restart in September for Samoa, Vanuatu, and Tonga. And this will be done with a non-quarantine requirement. So this is an indication, I suppose, that can take a lead with these negotiations, that our officials here in Samoa will begin with both New Zealand and American Samoa.